What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. Welcome to Bright Day Gardens. It's end of August 2021, and I'm about 2 weeks late from starting out procedures to prep for the fall 2021 garden. For any of my fellow Zone 9A South Louisiana folks, or anyone in Zone 9A anywhere across this country, any of my Louisiana people who want to put down a fall garden for brassicas, such as cabbages, broccoli, and cauliflower, I really suggest y'all check out my 10-point planting guide for harvesting and growing amazing brassicas. I put that out, I believe, last year. It's an easy guide. This 10-point planting guide is not a Johnny-come-lately kind of thing. I've been growing amazing cauliflower and broccoli for years and have decided to share it with y'all. You can see I started my process here already by pulling out the summer vegetables here. This is eggplants that didn't do too well, but so they're out. This bed had potatoes, as you might recall. Whatever that is there, I need to pull that out. That pepper I'm going to transplant. Same thing with these peppers here. I'm going to transplant these peppers at some point in time. First things first, though, with this 10-point planting guide is that brassicas are a fall crop. You should get your soil tested, and you need to prepare your beds weeks in advance. The timing is now to pull things out. I know things may be producing, but if you want something for the fall, mid-September is when I plant, and I have good success with it. Broccoli, you'll have that in time for Thanksgiving. Cauliflower, you'll have that in time for Christmas. And cabbage, you essentially have in time for Christmas and for New Year's. And of course, all of this can intermingle. You can have some broccoli late and some cauliflower early. So this is the time to do it. Fertilizer takes several weeks for it to start breaking down. Bringing the fertilizer lasts about 60 days, 90 days, something like that. So you'd want to start now so that when your plants are in the ground mid-September, they'll start to be able to take advantage of the fertilizer. Otherwise, it'll be a little bit late, but I'm telling you, do it this way. I've had great success with it. And of course, after you plant 2 weeks, you'd want to introduce higher nitrogen fertilizers, such as the Alaska fish emulsion, something like that. So, all right, that's it there. Just letting y'all know that it is time, if you're in Louisiana, to start preparing your beds for the fall garden. And if anyone's in a northern climate where it gets cold fast, if you can use a greenhouse, you can use a hoop house, and I really encourage y'all to try that out. If I was up there, I would try it as well. Okie dokes. I thank y'all very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember, I don't have an eggs on it yet, so see you later, everybody.